So hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hey, you are missing out a lot of things. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing right now. So you are here because you want to apply this new number plate before the deadline approaches. Now, here is what you need. You need an original logbook. You also need a picture of your current number plate, the back and the front side. Unaenda tu na simu yako, and then you photograph the front part of the number plate and also the back part of the number plate. Now you open your account, eCitizen account, and then you go to license. I'm going to show you how it's done. So make sure you have those two things. You have the logbook, you also have the number plates. If you have any question, kindly comment down below and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, it won't take long. Now this is what you're supposed to do. If you have the logbook, you have the two number plates, the back, and also the front. Also it's yeah, only those. Okay, now I'll walk you through this process. Now I've already logged into my account. I don't know whether I can turn my camera. I'm gonna pause this and turn my camera. So I've already logged into my account. Moffat Manyonge Chemiat is my name. The aspiring MCA 2027. Make sure umenipigia kura. Ndo mheshimiwa wako. Now, these are the services this site is offering. So you go to apply for a driving license. You go there. If you want to apply a new number plate, don't be surprised. Then you continue. I have 1 year, 5 months, 1 week, 5 days of experience. My driving license is still valid. Okay. So if you have a car, make sure that it's your car. Make sure that it's your vehicle. You go to, view here, and then motor vehicle services, and then apply for a reflective number plate. Umeona? Mimi hata yangu ndo nimeapply. No wonder this button is inactive. So if we go to application history, mine is pending approval. I can view. So actually the application process looks like this is the application form. Here is what you're supposed to fill the form, the vehicle model, and then you upload the logbook, the one that I told you have. It should be in PDF form. If you don't know how to convert to PDF, comment below, I'll do a video. And then you also combine those logbook and the number plate in one file, then you upload. Then you also choose where you want to collect them. I chose Thika, and I chose also the method to be notified. Should be through SMS or email, and that's it. Then you click next. Then you'll be asked to pay 3,050. If you have any question, consider subscribing. Also ask me questions, I will be able to answer to you. Thank you.